Hi y'all, welcome back to Jeff's Cars and Garage. So, excuse me, what we're going to do today, and I don't know if you can see me on camera, but it doesn't matter because this is kind of a tutorial. As you see, in the last video, I've taken off the passenger side taillight, and I also, when I took it off, noticed there was pieces of plastic that had come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this in the house, and it is broken, and I'm going to stick and glue it back together, clean up the aluminum to make the, so your lights shine bright. But so I'm going to take the driver's side one out, and then I can take these in the house and work on them where you know that it's a lot warmer. But meanwhile, to show you where we're at, I'm taking the outside assembly. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but this is what you're looking at across on 5 different spots, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, they're just simple nuts. We'll take an 8mm, not a 10. That you sit there and loosen them up, and on this car it's pretty easy. Now I think they changed this a little bit later, and again folks, sorry for the loud noise. You know, I'm trying to keep it warm in here because you know, it was cold, but oh, there goes my light. Let's see if we can just put that right there. I don't want it shining in my face. Y'all know what I look like. And so I got those loose. Now I'm just going to take the rest of the nuts off. Now that one's still nice stuff. And I started to develop, put things in baggies to you know, keep track of things and labeling them from, you know, various different parts of the car, which is good when you're wanting to go back together on things. Alright, so that's that one. That's loose, there's the nut. Small nut. And then here's the keeper that holds that on. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but oh, and then I lose my nut. God forbid, don't want to do that. So I'll put them in the bag. Go ahead and take the next one off. I think I'm going to be losing my nuts. By the way, I'd already taken off the plastic piece that goes over it and the harness plugs into it. I'd already done that. is how that got broken. So, I'll be doing the same darn thing on that one. Leave the rat pack there. Well, yeah, I got them all. Why did I do that? And let me go find a rubber mallet or something. Well, folks, I'm not sure where my rubber mallet is, but I got a tiny small hammer. There we go. That seal, it's obviously sealing. Go. So I'm going to have to do the same thing with fixing and glue that piece of plastic back in there as well so that the bulb fits in there correctly, but it shouldn't be too hard. So folks, there you go. Don't do what I do and just get with brute force with your hand. You can break things. So continue to keep watching the progress on this. I'm going to go ahead and take this rubber seal off all the way around. And that's an area where, you know, I can, when I get the soda blaster, that's an area that definitely needs to have be cleaned. Oh, and I can see. Well, no, it's pretty, it's not rusted through, so that's a good thing. Now the newer 70s cars, you have to take a plate off here to get this off there. This one piece goes all the way around. And it looks like I'm going to have to get a screwdriver to kind of coax it along a little bit. Oh, just have to have a Phillips screwdriver. I don't know if that'll work or not. Yeah, I'll work on that. But that's part of that. And then I'm going to take these panels off. Take off the chrome back here, and as soon as we get the bumper off, then I can sand all of this down. So there you have it, folks. One more task done, and you know, just another aspect of the car that we're going to have to do. Take the trunk lid off. There is a light, and I'm going to take the camera off here. Didn't realize there was a light under this trunk. That's right up in here someplace. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's the harness that goes to it. So I'm going to have to deal with that when I take the trunk lid off. But as you see, I'm going to have to do the underneath side of the trunk lid as well. More to come. Keep watching. Keep up. You know, keep the progress. You know, go to the, what is it on my YouTube? The series, my video series on the car, because this R107 is going to be on that series. So there you have it. For this segment of the video on the R107. Sorry, folks, I'm out of breath. That's what happens when you get a little older. But anyway, more to come. Keep watching. Thanks for watching.